What you mean, get on the sidewalk, bitch? That's you crazy.
Get on the sidewalk.
I'm homeland security, bitch. You ready? No, motherfucker.
Freedom of speech, get back in your car and get lost.
Yeah.
If we're done talking,
right now you can walk away. This is
I don't
our
have
office.
to. I'm not detained. I'm not detained.
Put your hand on while you get tased.
Corrupt cops use Taser on man. Instant karma strikes back. Imagine not even knowing what's happening before being attacked by the police. That's exactly what happened to Oliver Holly, the victim of such a shocking encounter. On June 5th, 2022 in Richmond, Virginia, officers Samuel Yoon and Shannon Onorati arrived at Maggie Walker Memorial Plaza after receiving reports of a man shouting in the street, later identified as Oliver Holly. However, the way the officers approached the situation was entirely violent.
What was you wearing again? I feel like the OC would go good for this though. This dude in the jersey shirt.
No, the one behind us.
You tell me. You tell me. I'm fat.
What's in your pocket?
What you mean, get on the sidewalk, bitch? That's you crazy.
Get on the sidewalk.
I'm homeland security, bitch. You ready? No, motherfucker. I'm gonna show you, bitch, my phone! Get the f*** out here, I'm gonna show you my phone, bitch!
411C2, we have one fighting.
It's so motherfucking I am stressed!
Officers Samuel Yoon and Shannon Onorati never explained to Oliver Holly why he was approached before using force against him.
I'm showing you now, I'm fast.
Stop!
I'm not, bitch! Bitch, I'm showing you, fast.
411C2, we need more units. We got one fighting.
What I do? Hey, what did he do? What did he do? Hey, get your hands off,
Officer, he didn't do
He
nothing.
ain't doing money.
We didn't do anything!
I'm trying to test him, bitch. You don't touch me.
Give me your hand, bro.
Give me the what?
Give me your hand.
What did he do?
Give me your hand.
You gonna stop pushing me in my face?
Get off my hand.
I'm trying to give me this bitch badge, bitch. Give me this bitch badge.
We don't even do nothing. And I got all the camera. We didn't do nothing.
Let him get him, man. You keep hitting him, man, for no reason, man. Let him
You
get him.
might get your motherfucker. Bitch, is you crazy?
Hey, the other one here. You got
Call Homeland Security.
They're trying to break his leg. They're trying to break his leg.
I'm all behind the back.
Hey, that's the one that's been hitting him all the time.
He didn't hit him. He hit him. The police hit him. The police hit the old man. Y'all tripping.
I'm trying to give me this bitch badge. Give me this bitch badge.
411C2, come back. Adam's abroad. Adam's abroad.
Let him get him, man. You keep hitting him, man, for no reason, man. Let him get
You
him.
might get your motherfucker.
Hey, just chill out.
Hey, I'm following.
Chill out, just chill out. Somebody else ready to get you.
For who over? Bitch, is you crazy?
Hey, the other one here. You got him.
Call Homeland Security.
Oliver Holly was subsequently arrested by the police in front of witnesses on the street.
Copy, one in custody and 106 West Street.
Hold the tape. What you going to my pocket for, man? Get out my pocket, bitch. You better get out my motherfucking bitch, bitch.
up and he just come out like this.
No, he didn't. No, he didn't. Let's talk about it.
Oliver Holly was charged with assaulting and battering a police officer. But after months of investigation, the charges were dropped.
Oliver Holly was arrested and charged with assault on a law enforcement officer back in June of last year. After months of evidence review, though, including body-worn camera video, the charge against him was dropped at the last minute. But Acting Chief of Police Rick Edwards says it's not because of a lack of evidence. This all stems from a June 5th, 2022 incident, where police arrested Oliver Holly at the Maggie Walker Memorial Plaza on Broad Street. But Edwards and Commonwealth's attorney Colette McKeechan say there's more to the story that the body cam video doesn't show, starting with a 911 call, which reportedly described someone looking like Holly who was potentially violent and armed with a glass bottle.
When an officer steps out of line or breaks the law, they're going to get arrested. I'm going to hold them accountable internally. But when our officers don't do anything wrong, it's just as important for me to stand up publicly for them, even though it's uncomfortable, even though it opens us up to more criticism.
Excessive force refers to force in excess of what a police officer reasonably believes is necessary. A police officer may be held liable for using excessive force in an arrest, an investigatory stop, or other seizures. A police officer may also be liable for not preventing another police officer from using excessive force. All right, let's move to this next case where things might get even messier. On February 25th, 2024, Auditor Siberian Tiger approached a nearby police vehicle, but was promptly instructed by the officers to leave.
It's not your car. Take it easy, ma'am. It's not your car. It's my car.
No, it's not. Step away from my car.
It's my car.
Tell me what's in my car. Get away from my car.
Or what?
Get away from my car.
Or what? Who are you?
Siberian Tiger skillfully emphasizes the constitutional rights to free speech and movement, guaranteed by the U.S. Constitution. He also mocks the female officer's ignorance of civil rights.
Yep, get everybody out here. Get everybody out here. You on break or something? What are you doing?
I have a subject here.
Oh, yeah.
Harassing me.
Harassing you?
We're in the,
What the heck? You're a funny girl. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, get a sergeant out here, a lieutenant, or whoever's the highest ranking guy out here. Harassing you. You're the one stepped out all aggressive. Get away from my car.
Yeah, get away from my car.
It's my car. I pay for it. Get away from my car. What a funny girl. Get away from my car. Jokester. You must be from another planet.
You can step away from me.
No, I can step. Am I being detained?
What's that?
Am I being detained?
No, but you're
Great.
harassing me, and you should probably stop.
You can go.
Yeah, I can go.
Go. I'm not blocking you. Go. When I became a U.S. citizen, they taught me something about freedoms.
Yeah?
Yes, that's right. I remember those things.
Right.
I remember the First Amendment?
What's that?
Oh, you don't know?
No, why don't you
Oh, but you just say I'm harassing you.
Well, you can...
Exactly.
You know what it is?
I do. I know exactly what it is.
Despite their efforts to request additional support, the officers were unable to compel Siberian Tiger to leave, as this individual was neither detained nor in violation of any laws.
So who are we waiting for? Right. So we want to have a chat? Oh, look at that. That's another female lady. You don't want to send any men? Oh, there they come. Great. Great. Where's the sergeant? Where's the sergeant? Who is he? Officer or deputy saying? Am I detained? Am I detained?
You need to
Am I detained?
You need to
Am I detained? Yes or no?
I'm asking you to step away.
I'm not going to comply with your request. Am I detained? Am I detained?
Why would you be detained, sir?
That's right. Then if I'm not detained, I can stand wherever I want.
In my bubble, sir.
In your bubble? You're funny. In your bubble. Well, maybe I want to burst your bubble.
Out of my car, sir. Step away from my car.
That's my car.
No, it is not your car.
My car.
No.
My.
No.
Okay.
It's the sheriff's office car.
Yeah. Paid by me. by my tax dollars.
The Siberian tiger confidently handled the police with his deep understanding of the law.
I own you, I own you, I own you. By the way, identify yourselves properly. Same badge number. Who are you? Redmond?
Why don't you identify yourself?
And you, sir?
Who are you?
Who are you?
Go away.
I don't think so. Who are you?
Because you're bored?
No.
Sounds like you're bored.
No. Because you showed me attitude.
Oh.
Do you see how it works?
When you're going into my car
That's right.
with my personal
Are you in public?
in there,
Are you in public? Are you in public?
It doesn't matter.
Are you in public?
Stop yelling at me.
No expectation of privacy. Freedom of speech. Get back in your car and get lost.
Yeah.
If we're done talking,
right now, you can walk away. This is
I don't
our
have
office.
to. I'm not detained. I'm not detained. If I want to go, I'll go. If I want to stay, I'll stay. If I want to get in your faces and educate you about my rights, I will. Go inside there and ask for my name. I just went in there and got public records. Okay? They tried. Guess what happened? No charges. No charges. The bastard who arrested me by one of you gangsters didn't even have a guts to put his name on a criminal citation.
When the confrontation ended, the Siberian tiger mockingly referred to the officers as tyrants.
Go inside and ask. Go inside and ask. I'm not scared. Go. You'll find out. Call your sheriff. He'll tell you who I am. Tell him a short little guy with a Russian accent, okay, who has the guts and the balls to stand up to any tyrant.
Get away from my car.
I am not detained. I'm free to move around as I please. Especially tyrants like you who don't even have the respect to identify themselves. Go behind the cage. Exactly. Get lost.
Whatever.
That's how it happens.
Yeah.
Tyrants come, tyrants go. Piss off. Don't ever harass citizens again.
According to the First Amendment, Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble, and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. Police always seem to know how to escalate a situation. Let's dive into the next case to see exactly how. On October 29, 2023, Jason was arrested by the Joliet police, specifically Officer Jack Desiderio. The police had no idea what was happening, yet they immediately deployed a taser on him.
Watch out.
Listen, please, everyone.
Good.
We just gonna step to the side. I just wanted, we had a confrontation tonight, and I just wanted to put your hands.
Any weapons?
No weapons. No weapons. Please.
Hey, put your hand on the wall, you get tased. Put your hands behind your back. Okay. Give me the four here. Can I put my pants on? We'll do it in a second.
Jason expressed his confusion and frustration, unable to understand why he was being arrested, while asserting that he had not engaged in any form of resistance.
I don't even know what's going on. They're screaming when I pull up. This lady busted and I thought she was you.
That's what I'm saying. I didn't even touch you.
You shoved me, dude.
I did not shove you.
You got right up. Yes, you did. We're not going to debate it. You're going to jail. Let me figure out what's going on here. I don't even know what's going on. Okay.
I just don't want them to escalate.
Let's go down and walk.
Okay.
Can I put my pants on, bro?
Stand right. Where your pants at?
Right there.
Stand right there.
I got you.
That was me. You're not listening. I told you. You're not listening to what she's telling you.
Go for that. What's your right, bro? Don't worry about that. No, right now. We can go downstairs. We gotta get these taser probes out of here.
What's your name, man? I'm gonna be right back.
Yeah. You can get slow. Do you have the thing to pull the tasers out?
Yeah, it's no problem.
Okay. We're gonna pull that one out of here. I don't know what happened when you first got here, bro.
That shit was weak as
Yeah, we could help you. Drop it like
I took it though.
What you mean you took it? He's gonna come back. We're gonna pull the thing out. What's up? I say he's gonna come back. We're gonna pop the thing out. Because you gotta enter him in evidence. If he got you got to remove her.
Yes, sir. Where's that?
It's right. One in the forums. That one out. That's the one. So I think that one's out. I collected one upstairs.
With the taser? He went down though, didn't you?
That's what I told him. He saw it a week. I'm like,
Kinda thought. I took that bitch for a minute though.
Hang still. We're gonna pop this out real quick.
I took that bitch for a minute though.
Yeah, me down. You know?
Take one step forward for me, bro. Oh, you got it? Here, just. Yeah, I gotta do it. Goddamn DA or not? You want an ambulance? Come check it out?
We're not doing that.
I like that. I like where your head's at.
I wasn't even resistant though. That's why I say shorty. I wasn't even resistant, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like I put my hands up, she hit me. Like
I'm gonna go put this shit in the car.
In 2024, 43-year-old Jason Heath filed a lawsuit against Joliet police officers accused of wrongful arrest, unlawful detention, assault, malicious prosecution, and excessive use of force. Excessive force refers to force in excess of what a police officer reasonably believes is necessary. A police officer may be held liable for using excessive force in an arrest, an investigatory stop, or other seizures. A police officer may also be liable for not preventing another police officer from using excessive force. Welcome to Cops Quiz. In this episode, we reveal the troubling case of a corrupt cop who was fired and charged after an unjust arrest of a disabled man. This case is a powerful example of why knowing your rights and holding law enforcement accountable is so important. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest news and keep yourself informed. Let's get it on. On August 19, 2022, Albuquerque Police Department officers Kenneth Skin, Marcos Flores, and Gregory Regan were called to a Target store in Albuquerque, New Mexico, after reports of alleged shoplifting. They encountered Matthew McManus, a 53-year-old with unidentified disabilities, who was having trouble using a self-checkout kiosk. Reports differ on how the Target employee described Mr. McManus. Some say he was labeled a shoplifter, while others suggest the employee wanted him removed from the store. The officers approached Mr. McManus at the self-checkout, and their interaction was recorded on body cameras. The officers told Mr. McManus he needed to leave because he was taking too long to make his purchase.
You gotta go. Gotcha. Take your money out. You're coming with us now. Okay? Take your money out. Okay? Go ahead and take your money out. So we're gonna take your money out. You come do you take your money out. You're gonna be issued a criminal trespasses so you can't come back to the city. Okay? Here's your money. Put it in your pouch. So we're gonna grab the money for you. Okay? Can I please get the money? That's okay. Come back to the okay?
It's unclear if Target specifically requested his removal, but this action might violate Title III of the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA. This section of the ADA covers public places, including retail stores, as stated in Section 1281 of Title 42 of the United States Code. Under Section 12182 of Title 42, Title III mandates that individuals cannot face discrimination based on disability when accessing public accommodations. This includes the goods, services, and facilities provided by such establishments. the law requires reasonable modifications to accommodate individuals with disabilities. Failure to make these accommodations can be discriminatory. The statute also requires ensuring that individuals with disabilities are not excluded, denied services, or treated differently due to a lack of auxiliary aids and services. In Mr. McManus's case, Target could have accommodated his needs by offering assistance, guiding him to a cashier, or allowing him extra time to complete his purchase. While legal precedents are complex and sometimes contradictory, a judge might find that the Albuquerque police were required to provide reasonable accommodations for Mr. McManus. Title II of the ADA applies to government entities, while private entities are covered by Title III. According to Section 21-132 of Title 42, no qualified individual with a disability shall, by reason of such disability, be excluded from participation in or be denied the benefits of the services, programs, or activities of a public entity, or be subjected to discrimination by any such entity. Courts have recognized that police departments are public bodies under Title II, and some law enforcement functions are considered services or programs under the ADA. However, there's debate over whether the ADA covers on-the-street police encounters, like use of force or arrests. Officer Skin informed Mr. McManus that he was being charged with concealing his identity, resisting officers, and trespassing from the Target store.
You're insulting me.
Alright, you got an ID on you, man?
I'm giving you any ID. You're not police.
Yes, we are.
I personalize your security.
Alright, you got an ID on you, man?
I'm giving you any ID. You're not police. Personalize your security.
You got your pin and pad? So what's your name, man?
None of your business.
Alright, then you're under arrest. Go ahead, put your hands behind your back.
Who you calling, man? You ain't even
He's
press
calling
call
911. So yeah, just go ahead and put him in handcuffs because he's refused to identify himself.
Okay, hold on.
Heck,
No, just go ahead.
and the security cars came, and I didn't take more time than anyone else. The other ones.
So now you're going to be charged, okay, with concealing identity, resisting officers, okay?
No, you're a police officer?
Yes, we told you that already.
I didn't see your badge.
Under New Mexico law, criminal trespass occurs when someone knowingly remains on property where they are not authorized to be. A 2002 case, State versus Tower, highlights that property owners can impose reasonable restrictions on access, provided they are not discriminatory. If Mr. McManus was asked to leave, he could face trespassing charges if he refused. However, the property owner or occupant must explicitly withdraw permission, and Mr. McManus's disability might have affected his awareness of this withdrawal. Mr. McManus faces charges of concealing identity and resisting officers. If Mr. McManus genuinely believed the officers were not law enforcement, he might have a valid defense against the resisting charge. The Court of Appeals of New Mexico has ruled that while resisting arrest is generally unlawful, it may be justified if the arresting officers used excessive force.
We identified ourselves as Albuquerque police, so we have the reason. We asked you your name. You didn't give us your name. That's
What was the reason?
So what you need to do, we're going to help you stand up. We're going to put you in that patrol unit over there, okay?
I didn't do nothing because I didn't do nothing. I think there are police officers right there.
No,
I didn't know they were police officers.
Concealing identity, resisting officers, okay?
I didn't know you were police officers.
I can't help you with that if you don't want to listen.
Regarding the charge of concealing identity, New Mexico Statute 3022-3 mandates that a person must identify themselves to law enforcement if requested under reasonable conditions. The request must be made with reasonable suspicion, and the person must be lawfully detained. Mr. McManus might argue that the officers lacked sufficient suspicion, affecting the legality of his removal and potential trespassing charges. After his arrest, Mr. McManus suggested there was no justification for his detention.
Stand up. You didn't believe us? Doesn't matter.
Security guard. Yeah, I got a couple of knives.
You got a couple of knives on you? You got any needles?
My money in the put me out. You without even identifying me.
That's
Then
we
you
can't separate right now.
Like I said, we can't get them off of you. We have to cut them off.
I couldn't get them off myself.
Does it come off?
Just let me take it off myself, will you please? You didn't give me any proof. You didn't show me your presence.
So let me ask you this. You know we're cops now, right? Do you want to identify yourself? Do you have an ID anywhere? Where's your ID at?
Yes.
I have to say anything.
Well, you have to identify yourself still.
No, I have the right to remain silent.
Okay, look forward. Don't look at me.
Face this way, man.
You gotta take all my property.
Face this.
I wouldn't do anything bad or wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't.
Knock it off. What's your name?
Is it Matthew McManus? Ooh, that sounds like a name. Well, I hope your name's Matthew, otherwise you're getting charged with trafficking because this is a lot of drugs.
That's fine.
Go ahead and take a seat in this vehicle.
Pick up my papers.
Yeah, put your feet in. Don't catch a felony charge by hitting me or anything. Step in.
You had to cut off one of my fanny packs, you know, it's so hard.
And mentioned being involved in the death of 27-year-old Kason Thomas shortly after this incident. The APD found that Officer Skin violated departmental protocols during this encounter. Both Officer Skin and Officer Flores were implicated in Mr. Thomas's death and faced a wrongful death lawsuit in May 2023. Officer Skin plans to challenge his dismissal from the APD. Former Officer Skin now faces serious legal consequences, including charges of false imprisonment, battery, perjury, and filing a false report. Attorney General Torres emphasized the need for law enforcement to serve and protect, stating that Officer Skin allegedly abused his authority to unjustly detain Mr. McManus. As of the time of this writing, Officer Skin has pleaded not guilty to all charges, and the case remains unresolved. On January 24, 2023, Officer Blake Stinson, serving with the Cody Police Department in Cody, Wyoming, initiated a traffic stop involving a 17-year-old motorist whose identity remains confidential, reportedly for failing to yield to a pedestrian in a marked crosswalk. The young driver, accompanied by 2 other minors, was en route to school at the time of the incident. The ensuing interaction was recorded by Officer Stinson's body camera, dash camera, and those of fellow officers.
When someone's in the crosswalk, you're required to yield to them. I need your driver's license, registration, and insurance.
After the driver fails to present his documents, Officer Stinson demands him to exit the vehicle. The driver maintains that because he is a minor, he is entitled to the presence of a parent or lawyer. However, Wyoming rules require all drivers, regardless of age, to have a valid license, registration, and insurance when driving. Furthermore, juveniles are not afforded specific legal safeguards during traffic stops.
Can I call my mom? This is her vehicle.
Yeah, you can provide digital copy of the insurance, but the registration needs to be provided. There was somebody in the crosswalk and you almost hit him.
You said there was somebody in the crosswalk and almost hit him. You want me to talk to him?
I need your driver. I don't care. I need your driver's license.
I'm not inclined to talk to you about a parent. I'm not 18 years old.
When you're required to give me your driver's license, your registration, and your insurance. If you don't provide those things, you'll be placed in custody.
Sir, my mom's on the way to help me out.
Okay, go ahead and step out of the vehicle. I can smell marijuana in the vehicle. Get out. I'm not going to tell you again. You're going to get out of the vehicle or I'm going to drag you out.
Officer Stinson has arrested a driver for resisting, citing relevant Wyoming statutes. According to state law, obstructing a peace officer is an offense, even if it doesn't involve physical resistance. It's crucial to understand that verbal refusal to comply with a lawful order can also constitute interference. While the driver may argue that they didn't intend to interfere due to physical restraint, it's essential to acknowledge that such actions can still be deemed obstructive under the law.
Open the door. Open the door now. Door now.
My mom down here?
Nope.
You gotta step out. I'm not 18 years old.
It doesn't matter. Get out of the vehicle.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
Get out of the vehicle. You're not. You're gonna get out of the vehicle right now or I'm gonna drag you up. Get out of the vehicle.
Mom.
Get out of the vehicle. Mom. Help me. Get out of the vehicle now.
Mom.
Unlock the door.
I can't. Sir, you have my arm. There's not one on that side.
You're gonna go for resisting. Dude, it doesn't matter how old you are. I don't care! I told you to open the door!
Officer Stinson claims the driver nearly hit a civilian, but dashcam footage contradicts this. Nonetheless, reasonable errors of fact and law can justify a traffic stop if the officer's understanding of the case and the law is reasonable. Officer Stinson's rage toward the driver was disproportionate to the minor traffic infringement.
Unlock the door.
He almost hit somebody at the crosswalk right here at the courthouse. Goes in here and I stop him. He doesn't have a license either.
Following the apprehension of the driver, substances including marijuana and nicotine were discovered within the vehicle. Consequently, he faced charges pertaining to obstruction and the unlawful possession of a controlled substance. Nevertheless, these charges were later dismissed, not due to innocence, but due to procedural complications. Officer Stinson, involved in the case, was subsequently placed on administrative leave, pending an internal inquiry.
What was your reason for pulling him over?
Failure to yield to a pedestrian.
Oh,
What's
I know.
going on
I
right
have
now?
witnesses that have been in the car with him and since then followed him for miles down Bighorn Avenue for no reason whatsoever.
Despite Officer Stinson's legal justification for the traffic stop, his forceful approach was unnecessary. The dash cam evidence did not support his assertion that the motorist nearly hit a person. While acceptable mistakes can warrant a stop, Officer Stinson's actions were disproportionate in the circumstances. Thank you for tuning in to Cops Quiz. Today's case highlights the importance of ensuring that justice is served and corrupt officers are held accountable. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Your support helps us continue to bring you important stories and updates. See you next time. Goodbye, and see you again.